Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you with the help of Google Assistant how you can be a wizard like Harry Potter. So let's start. Okay, so the first file is okay Google Lumos, and this will turn on your flashlight. To turn off your flashlight you have to say okay Google Knox, and this will turn off your flashlight. And to silence your mobile you have to say okay Google silence you. So these are the three spells. Okay guys, so that's it. You can use these three commands in Google Assistant and you can be a wizard like Harry Potter. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.